morning everyone. Okay, today is day 2 of our KL tour and we are going to a familiar place for breakfast today. Right, so this place opens early. Right, the food is good. It's a big place and you know there's Swedish food. Can you make a guess?
Let's give away.
Let me show you the restaurant. It's nearby already.
Did you got it right? We are on our way to IKEA at Cheras.
Is it linked over here? Because I think
No, it's not linked.
No, I think it is linked. That
It's
side
not
is
linked. That
linked.
one is another building.
No, I think it is linked from there. So you see now, is it connected? Wow, check out the parking, man. B1, 600 lots.
Today is Good Friday, by the way.
Yeah, so it's a PH over here. These are some of the food choices over here. I hope you can see them. There are special ones, okay, like mee goreng, and there's a nasi lemak. That's what we are having. Most of the things are quite similar. They have this in Singapore as well, this as well. The pandan cake, I don't think we have it. Yeah, we don't.
Seasonal.
Yeah, I believe so.
Somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first.
Guys, check this out. We just came into KLCC and there's temperature taking. D1 is me, 36.3 degrees. Esther is 34.5 degrees.
Japanese food again. Just now Benny said when something we enjoy eating, we'll keep eating. Yeah, I think he's right.
Gotta work, never tell. Keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate. Go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first.
Alright, so guys, we were walking around and Esther needed the toilet, so we followed the toilet sign. And then we realized there is something called a premier toilet.
Wow.
I mean, it's our first time getting this. Yeah, have you all seen this before in your country or whatever you are? Alright, so guys, okay, right now we are at the new mall, which is Lala Port. Right, so this mall opened, I think it was a few months ago. Yeah, so a lot of people are saying, you know, this place is nice, it's beautiful, the design is very nice, but not a lot of shops are open yet. So we are going to show you around the mall and see what's available here. And we are going for our dinner as well.
Yay! Let's go.
Let's go. Alright, so we are at the basement. There's quite a lot of shops open, and on top, right? So far, I have not even seen one shop open. Oh my. Yeah, there's a few.
Change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay.
So we have decided to come to LG1, which is B1. Okay, so there's more food eateries over here. Yeah, so I mean we saw the food court, but the thing is, you know, I was at the chicken rice store and I saw the chicken, so my mind is thinking, you know, maybe the chicken has been there for a while, you know, so we decided to come to the basement to find some food because there's also quite a few eateries at the basement. And the good news is I think the eateries more or less have opened up already. Yeah, so we're finding some food for our dinner.
Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
Mid Valley Mega Mall. So we decided to watch a movie. Alright, so guys, again today is the second night of KL. Last second day.
How are you feeling today?
Good. Back to normal. Alright, and one of the most famous places, okay, is the Chinatown, which is the Jalan Petaling Street. Yeah, we're gonna show you what's available over there. But the thing is, today is a little bit early. We are here at about 5 o'clock. There are some small bites along the way. Hey guys, I was looking out at the window at the lift area and I saw this unit, guys. Why is it like, you know, like open concept? Is it even possible? Or is that just a common area? I'm not sure. But it looks like somebody's house. Guys, we're going to turn left now. And have to double check the road sign. You have to check out the road sign. The road sign is like a eye test, you know, like the first row is what, second row is what.
Yep, so this is our GPS. We are supposed to turn.
They should use the fonts as dark grey and the background is light grey. I think it'll be interesting, I think.
So where are we going today?
A place where you can, you know, you can be an instant millionaire.
Alright guys, see you.
So if you see the channel no more videos after a while, right, you should know already.
We have turned millionaires or billionaires.
Millionaire still cannot. Singapore cannot.
Yeah.
Billionaire, yeah.
Multi-billion, I think will be good.
Let's hope, huh? Let's hope. The next time the car DIY different car.